Let's make some chewy chocolate sugar cookies. I can't wait to try these. And we're going to start with 2 cups of Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour and a half a cup of cocoa and a teaspoon of baking powder and 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. And we're just going to whisk that up just to combine it all. Okay. Next, I'm going to take 16 tablespoons of butter. This is softened, unsalted butter. If it'll come out. There it goes. Oh, I just got it on my finger. And I'm going to beat this up until it's nice and light and fluffy. I'm going to scrape it about once and beat it again. So let's scrape down the walls just to get all the butter nicely mixed and combined to make it nice and fluffy. Okay, let's do it again. So I'm going to scrape it down one more time. Oh, that's nice and soft. There we go. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of dark brown sugar. I'm going to scrape down the walls. That's looking really nice. And to this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 whole egg. Now it's time to add the flour. And the cocoa, obviously. There we go. And I'm just going to mix this until it's well combined. Okay, I'm going to scrape down the walls just one last time, just to make sure everything is mixed in really well. There we go. Done. Well, not done, but that step is done. Let's clean off the paddle. Oh, that's nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, oh, that smells really, really good. Okay, so I have a parchment paper lined baking sheet. And I'm going to grab 2 spoons and my scale, because we need to get about 50-gram amounts . Oh, that's close. It's 44. That's too much. Here we go. I'm going to roll this between my fingers. And then I've got a bowl of white granulated sugar. And I want to roll this as best as I can. There we go. And then I'm going to put that right there. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process of 50-gram balls, dropping that in, and then I'm going to bake this in my preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they're golden brown. See you in a moment. Now these cookies look scrumptious. I can't wait to sink my teeth into them. They took 12 minutes in my oven. Your oven might be slightly different, so do keep an eye on them. But I pulled them out and just let them cool right on the rack. Not the rack, the cookie sheet. And now it's time to see what they're like. So the bottom, nice and golden brown. Oh, that smell is so nice. It's like caramelized sugar and butter, obviously. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna break it. Oh, it's chewy. It's gonna be chewy. Mmm. 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 It's chewy and crunchy all at the same time. It's, oh wow. When you're making these, you want to do them 6 at a time on the tray, put them in the oven, then on another tray, do another 6. And I ended up having 16 of this size of cookie, which is, it's a fair size cookie. It's the size of the palm of my hand. So that's a decent size. If you're looking for the recipe, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on any of these social media websites. And coming up next is this. Thanks for watching. That's a really good cookie. Yeah.